It's Tuesday, May 4th, 2010. Wow, the market's come crashing down. Check this out. The Dow down more than 2%, 2.4% on the S&P, NASDAQ down 3%, 3% on the Russells. That is huge. When's the last time you saw a 3% drop on any of the indices? VIX spiking 18%, right around that 24 mark. That is big time. I actually unloaded my VIX calls today. I think there's a good chance of that maybe coming back. But anyway, let's look at the technicals to find out what's going on. And they were also June calls, so I had to unload them. Time decay, gonna eat me alive. So I thought today was a great day to unload them. So anyway, check this out. We're looking here at the S&P daily. We've been going up, 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 hit this resistance line, come down, hit this resistance line, come down, and it goes into this little wedge, this little formation here. And I thought today we might even get a doji coming in, but this building at the top gives it a bullish credence that I thought there'd be a decent chance of going up. But the one thing that we always have to remember is that anytime you got a pinching pattern, we don't know if it's going to go up or down. All we know is there's uncertainty, and there's certainly a chance for it to go either direction. And we even said that yesterday. Boom, we get crashing down. And check this out. It's not by accident that we come down and find support at the 50-day and also getting near that 1167 mark for the low. But we also find a close right here, 11. Look at this. I have 1174 area. Actually, I have 1173.9. It closed at 1173.6. You don't get much closer than that. So these lines that I have, trend lines that I use, are really very important. If you remember yesterday's video, the thing that I said that I didn't like was the MACD was sub-zero. We shouldn't have had that on a big bullish pennant. We should have been at the very least right at zero or just above, but we did not have that. And sure enough, we come crashing down. The thing that was really interesting is we broke below 1180 on the S&P, and gang, right now the Dow is underneath 11,000. That's a very big psychological area, and we're down below that. And the volume, now remember, volume spikes today. Look at this huge volume. Look at the spiders on this drop. And every time we get this spike, I'm going to get my crosshairs up here. Let me show you this to you. Look at this spike, down day. Look at this spike, down day. Look at this, boom, big volume, another spike, down day. If you may remember this, or maybe not. It depends on how long you've been listening. But back here, when volume was down, see this? I said, usually when you get a reversal in the markets, you'll get spikes that come in. Like here, see the spike, and then we reverse and head up. See this? Big volume, and then we reverse and head up. Look at this big volume, we reverse and head up. Big volume, we reverse and head up. So most of the time you get these spikes, and we didn't get any there to speak of. Let's go back. But look at this. We have this big low. Bring this down, pull in some more data here. But look at these spikes that took place. Spikes. And it's helped putting in that low. And look at the big swell of volume. And then we come out. But look at what happened to the volume here. Look at these spikes coming in on what's happening right now. So here we had spikes, we headed up. Now we got spikes, and this is after we're up. So this is a good chance for us to head southbound. So at this moment, man, I tightened up all my stops on my long positions, and I even have some bearish positions. If we just start to get crazy heading down, I'll pick up some more bearish positions. But we are at the rising 50-day moving average, and it wouldn't surprise me after such a big day to get a bounce, because after all, when we get those bounces, I mean, every time we get a big drop, we get a pop. Drop, we get a pop. Drop, we get a pop. Drop, I think we'll get a pop. So that's why I unloaded my VIX calls. I picked up a couple of longs at the end of the day, especially when I saw it kind of going a little more bullish at the end of the day, and I'm ready for a little bit of a pop. But overall, my sentiment is becoming less bullish overall in the markets because I think we're looking a little toppy. So there you have it. Thank you for being a part of Free Trading Videos, and make sure you share this video with all your colleagues. This is priceless information.